we are learning my hobbies. Class 3, subject science. We have to learn hobbies and their types, how hobbies are useful to us, choosing a hobby as a job, my parents' hobbies. Now we will learn my hobbies. You go to school every day to learn new things. You play with your friends at school. What do you do after school? At home, you do homework, watch TV, play, and help your friends or help your parents or the neighbors. My first question to you students, how do you spend your free time on Sundays and holidays? Correct. You are playing with football, you are playing badminton, you are cycling, and many more. What is that? These are all activities. Different activities we are playing, like drawing, like playing badminton, playing football, etc., or the watering plants. What are that? All are activities. See, these are the different hobbies like painting, playing football, singing, collection of stamp, yoga, doing exercise or knitting. All these are activities. So student, what is mean by my hobbies? The activities that people enjoy during free time are called hobbies. Yes, these are some images of hobbies like swimming, like cycling, reading, drawing, playing or playing volleyball or football or the swimming, singing, or the dancing, or playing video games, all are the activities or we called as the hobbies. So what is mean by hobbies? Hobbies are the activities that we do for relaxation when we have free time. There are different types of hobbies. For example, Sia like playing with marbles. Ria like playing with football. Neela like to help poor people. Meena likes to dance. Sania likes to sing a song. Sanjay likes to play video games. What is that? These are all activities or we call as all these are hobbies. There are different types of hobbies. Sports and games, outdoor recreation, arts, collection, making. What are the example of all these hobbies? Sports and games, football, badminton, cricket, video games, yoga, running, swimming, adventure, sports. What are the examples of outdoor recreation? Bird watching, stargazing, gardening, traveling, trekking, mountaineering. Now we will see the examples of arts: painting, singing, reading, writing, dancing, photography. Now we will see the examples of collections: collection of coins, collection of stamps, collection of leaves and feathers. Now we will see the examples of hobbies for making: scrapbook making, poetry or cooking. All these are the types of hobbies and their examples. Now we will see students how are hobbies helpful to us. In our free time we can play different activities or hobbies. Because of hobbies, what we will get? How hobbies are helpful to us? Because of hobbies, we can entertain ourselves. We can make us happy. How hobbies make us happy? In day-to-day life. What is the importance of hobbies? All these things we have to learn. See the benefits of hobbies. Keep us healthy, to be creative, to make useful things, to learn new things, and to work in a group. Now see some of the benefits of hobbies. They keep us healthy, like sports, games, exercise, or yoga. All these are hobbies makes us healthy, keeps us healthy. They help us to be creative. Painting, cooking, writing, playing to create new things. Third one, they help us to make useful things. Knitting and poetry us to make useful things. Again, they help us to learn new things like reading, help us to learn new things and get new knowledge. Collection of stamps, coins help us to learn about different countries. Next, they teach us to work in a group. Group activities like dancing, playing cricket, football teach us to work in a group. Now, train my brain. What type of hobby is poetry? Making. Second, what type of hobby is mountaineering? Outdoor recreation. What type of hobby is photography? Arts. What type of hobby is yoga? Sports and games. Give one example of collection. Collection of coins. Now, we are learn about different types of hobbies. Do all friends have the same hobbies? No. Everyone has its own interest, own hobbies, and own creation. One of your friends may like to play football, another may like to play badminton. Do you and your siblings may like the same game, same activity? Some of your choice may be same or some may be different. What could be the reason? People choose different activities, different hobbies. They find their interest depends on their interest. People enjoy hobby that they like. Different people have different like and dislike. Therefore, different people have different hobbies. If we practice hobby for a long time, we become good at it. Then we can go it regularly and hobby become a job. For example, VVS Lakshman, the Indian cricketer, was good at studies. He became a good cricketer, good batsman as a playing cricket as a his hobby. Another example, J.K. Rowling wrote a story of Harry Potter. So he is a story maker. Her hobby has become her job. She is a famous author. So student, we have learned different activities called as the hobbies. Thank you. Have a nice day.